If you're wondering how to generate weekly security reports in Tenable, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through the simple steps to make sure your Tenable reports are up to date and provide the security insights you need every week. Stay tuned till the end for an exclusive bonus on how you can access this software for free. First thing you'll need to do is log into your Tenable account. Once you're in, head to the main dashboard where you'll see a variety of options available. From here, click on Reports. This is where all your report generation happens. Now, don't worry about navigating through confusing settings, it's straightforward. Next thing, select the New Report button. This is your gateway to creating custom reports, including weekly security reports. When you select this, you'll be prompted to choose a template. For weekly reports, you'll want to pick a template that suits security audits, such as a vulnerability report or a risk assessment template. These will ensure you're pulling the most relevant data for weekly summaries. The third thing you'll do is choose the specific assets or systems you want to include in your report. If you're scanning multiple networks, you might want to focus on specific systems for that week. Make sure your report is customized for what's most relevant. You don't want to waste time generating unnecessary data. You can filter by severity, vulnerability type, or even specific hosts. Now, after you've selected your assets and template, the next thing is to set the time frame for the report. Since you're creating a weekly report, make sure to choose a weekly schedule. You'll also have an option to schedule the report automatically. This means once you set it up, Tenable will generate this report for you every week without any extra effort on your part. The fifth thing, and this is key, is configuring the delivery options. You can have your report emailed directly to your inbox or send it to a designated team. You can also choose to save it in your Tenable account for future access. Set up the report so it's easy to access exactly when you need it. If you've got a team working with you, make sure everyone gets the necessary reports. Finally, after everything is set up, simply hit Generate to create your report. It will take a few moments to compile, but once it's done, you'll have a detailed, easy-to-read weekly security report showing any vulnerabilities, risk assessments, and changes from the previous week. Now, don't forget, the key here is automation. Tenable allows you to set up this report once, and it'll handle the rest. The weekly reports will come to you without you needing to manually generate them every time. Before we wrap up, remember that you can try Tenable for free using the first link in the description below. You'll get exclusive bonuses and access to all of the features mentioned here. It's a great way to get started with generating weekly security reports without any upfront cost. If you've learned something useful today, don't forget to check out the link below to get your exclusive extended free trial for Tenable.